Technical Textile Association, ITA.
You know with them?
Yeah.
No,
She has retired. So he has taken over from-
he has become Secretary General there.
Yeah.
गुरु आपकी तो बहुत जरूरत पड़ेगी मेरे गुरु order is a complex thing na
How many top? One is rice, that is diamond, and that is cotton. At different time of the day you see it differently. The different mood that you see it in, you see it differently. So
And on the location.
and the location.
So you are waiting for how much?
Sharat Tandon.
Yes, sir.
So all cotton group, huh?
All textiles.
Thank you.
Take this, yeah. So, Manish Bhai from the Cotton Club.
Trying to get good like-minded people together who are positive.
So let it be a Cotton Club, huh?
Yes. Nice name to start with.
Lot for coming in a very short notice because it's just a 1 week we had given the plan. So basically, as you know, the textile value chain, everybody knows about it, and Mr. Daga is associated with us from last 6 months, and we are planning ki there are a lot of things happening in textiles, and everybody is very negative about the textiles. So why should nobody speaks about the positive about the textile industry? So the purpose of the meeting is to talk about the positivity and the solution for the textile industry. So basically this talks is should be the meaningful and fruitful because everybody has come to take out the time and come here. So it should not be the only we just want to discuss haywire, but it should be the meaningful talk we want to do. And I had met the textile commissioner also last week, and she said ki you do the meeting and whatever the points you discuss with me, and then we will form the committee and we will meet at the textile commissioner office also next week and whenever we form the team. So basically we want to discuss the main problems and the solution. So Mr. Manish Daga will, we had associated, you can see the every industry we had clubbed the people, like from cotton, 2 gurus are there, and spinning with the main RSWM.
Guru is only he.
No, RSWM is from the spinning king. Then from fabric, we have 2 people, Mr. Shiv Kanoria and the Powerloom sector consultant. And from SITPC, Mr. Anil Kumar has, from the synthetic point of view, we also have to seek apart from cotton. And Mr. Arvind Sinha from the
आप यहाँ आ
Textile
जाइए।
Association.
आप लोग
And
सब एक
and
कुर्सी
what
पे आ
is
रहे
the
दूसरी
project
कुर्सी
is
पे आ
going on, that Mr.
Kursi
Avinash
aana.
will speak what is the new project and what should be the do. So we can start with Sir, Manish sir, and then
I would like to say a few things
yes,
before you.
yeah, sure.
Now,
From Textile Value Chain magazine.
Textile Value Chain Magazine. Manish Bhai, Cotton Guru.
Sharat Tandon.
From
We do project consultancy in the SME sector, weaving focus.
you are weaving focus.
इसको जरा देना please.
Weaving focus.
Avinash Maikar.
We have met.
Yeah, many times.
You are a consultant
Right.
on cotton.
Suvindra.
No, he is a consultant. I think
We do engineering projects all day.
he all the consultancy.
Right. Textile, food, industrial projects.
Arvind Sinha, Textile Association.
This is just a formality I am writing down,
Yeah.
so that it goes into my record. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So I have taken the liberty. Bharat Chamber is doing good work.
So ML Junjunwala.
Superstar.
from RSWM Limited. RSWM.
We met recently only. He is a superstar.
Anil Kumar. SRTEPC.
SRTEPC.
Executive Director SRTPC. ED. He's an ED.
Oh, ED.
I'm Shaila from Suvin Advisors.
Suvin.
Yes, from Mr. Maiker's office.
My God.
Shaila.
Yes.
I'm Kripapal Barua from SRTPC.
K. Barua.
K. Barua.
From SRTPC. Director.
First I'll give my card and extract everybody's card.
I will just.
Means that the positive note which Jigna has given is a very important thing. That we must all start thinking in terms of positives. Negatives everybody thought, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. लेकिन क्या है और हम क्या कर सकते हैं? And that is why I said that this can be a good forum to start with. We can call it any name, informal forum, forum of friends of textile industry, or whatever good nomenclature Mr. Guru says. You keep a name, and but we must do something very, very, very thoughtful, something brainstorming, something to help.
Sure.
Of course, let me tell you, your textile industry is doing, textile association is doing a lot, and everybody is well meaning. And let me tell about him also. The last time I have been having interlude with him, but he comes out with some different ideas, and he's very positive. And so all positive people you have collected, he is positive. And of course, I heard you at FICCI, and also I heard you when the previous Ashok, our minister was there.
Yeah.
There was a meeting, a special
Right.
plane was taken and all
Yeah.
that. Right?
Right.
At that time you presented a
Yes.
paper.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
So memory doesn't fail.
Very good.
Do you,
I think we are meeting for the first time.
we are meeting for the first time. And we have met where exactly?
At the IMC,
IMC.
when Niranjan Hiranandani sir was there,
Ah,
and I was in subcommittee of foreign trade as well,
that's true.
and
That's
so
true.
the arbitration committees.
Him I met. I have met you or not?
Yes, I think we met
Where?
On board.
in Texpros.
Texprocil.
Yes.
We come closer.
Yeah. Hey, and you got the ball rolling, that is important. So, we meet here, the basic thing is that we firmly believe, at least myself and people who have been talking to that, talking about sustainability, are we really for it? That is the in thing today, everybody talks about sustainability. But in textiles, there have been, I've read some articles on sustainability, I'm a speaker on sustainability at 4 events, international events this year. But when I interact with people, the outcome is either I'm doing well, I'm not concerned with the world, or I'm not doing well and it's not going to be okay from now on. So, are we really looking at sustainability in implementation part, or it is only a bookish word for us? So, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashit Dukha.
Very good.
Good for others is going to do good for us. Either all of us will survive, or none of us will.
Oh, come. Pull the chair and come here. Come near to me.
Yeah.
Don't sit there.
Okay.
Come here. And old
Textile
I think
Association
everyone
of India.
I know.
Most of know him. Right.
I know that.
Who does not know you?
फिलहाल मैं आऊँगा, पुलिस भाई की मीटिंग ऑफिस में जरूर आऊँगा, मैं पहली बार आया हूँ और का कोई सब्जेक्ट हो कुछ में नॉट कंसर्न। आपसे मिलने की बड़ी इच्छा रहती है।
ना ये मिलते रहे काफी टाइम पे।
मिलने तो क्या नहीं, आऊंगा तो मिलेंगे ना, ऐसा तो कैसे
कुछ
मिलेंगे बताइए।
अभी तो हम लोग नक्की ये किया है सोना साहब,
हाँ।
कुछ करके दिखाना है, माने पॉजिटिव पीपल पॉजिटिव को प्लस 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 कर देना है।
And on a very
One more
positive
thing.
day, Guru Purnima.
Yeah.
Very Porimanu.
Good point, man.
गुरु is there, super guru is there.
Everywhere Guru is there.
So we must write down Guru Purnima day.
Even Mr. Tamane is not well because he is hospitalized recently.
Oh.
So otherwise, he
Yes, I am a
his
Jhunjhunwala
plan
guy,
is
yes.
very positive about all this.
We would like to have him for the
Yeah,
next
next
session.
meeting.
Be last, but you became the first
Yeah,
because
yeah.
everybody knows you. So you are becoming first.
Yeah, yeah.
So, looking at the word sustainability pertaining to textile, it is the longest supply chain we all know, but there is a very heavy disorientation amongst the players. What we see in the other industries, they somehow know about the upper and the lower chain, but in textile it is totally not even the knowledge part but the interest part. We see when we talk to farmers, they are least concerned what the ginners want. Leave alone the brands, which is a very far off thing for them. When we talk to the ginners, but मेरा ये माल ये भाव में बिकना चाहिए क्योंकि मेरा purchase cost ये है, that is all this concern. Normally the tendency to sell first and buy later is getting into the quality aspect. पहले बेच देते हैं competitive prices में, फिर उसको किचन में जाके उसको मैच करना है, ये प्लेट ये रेट में बेची है तो इसको कैसे बनाना चाहिए, वो that is getting into the mill's balance sheets in a very bad way. Trial and error, changing of supply sources, and no testing here, only 2% testing in ginning side and 100% testing on the yarn side, more than 100% testing on the fabric side. How do you compete here? Every lot cannot be tested at spot, every lot cannot be tested in mill. As far as the mill is concerned, regarding the cleaning part is concerned, if you see the pre-blow room stage, they have to employ a lot of more heavy machinery and more labor than needed if it is cleaned in the ginning side. Same thing in the spinning. When you look at the brands have very specific requirement, but the spinning mill first makes the yarn and then decides who to sell. So that is why if China is buying 3 years continuously made for China, made for China, made for China, when China is not buying, they don't know what to do. There is no contingency plan, no disaster management, no plan B. How do we sustain? Garments are doing okay. I mean, everybody who is in garments, out of 10, 7 people said, okay, we are surviving, we are doing better, or we are growing. Apart from that, not a single segment. I haven't met in the last 6 months who says that I am doing well, not Verma, not Trident, nor anything. So all these thought leaders in the industry, and if they say that I am not doing well and I don't know what to do, then actually what should do? Everybody can't get out of business, everybody can't stop manufacturing, and we can't stop growing cotton. So then the only thing is find a way out of the situation. That was the sole reason to invite all of you here, because you are associated with different segments of industry. You have created a niche name for yourself, all of you in the industry, and only because when we got the feedback, it was that these are positive people. Only positive people will come out with solution, otherwise there will be only complaints. So we start with on that note, and I would invite everybody to share your views on the current issues pertaining to your segment of the industry, and as per your knowledge or your feedback, the probable solution to that. So we make a note of that, and then we have a collective discussion. Then there will be questions also raised on your observations.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah. I would be speaking on behalf of the weaving sector, which is, I think, considered to be a weak link in our textile chain, and the weakness is not so much because of lack of technology, because they employ the latest European machines today, but it is purely due to the scattered nature of the industry, the ownership. The ownership is very, very small, very fragmented, generally typically run by family-owned entrepreneurs, the son comes in out of an MBA, out of something, so they have no recourse or training themselves to systems or proper working culture. So with the change of the top management, the individual culture oriented, that changes. But yes, one thing, talking of positivism, they may keep crying, but they are very dynamic. They are
Who is very dynamic?
the SME people, the weaving SME people. They just keep multiplying. Every 6 months you will find these importing 12 looms, 12 looms, 12 looms. Because they are good at it, and there is a lack of good weaving capacity as such, essentially.
Lack of good weaving
Yeah,
capacity.
lack of good weaving.
So
capacity.
the issue is
Yeah.
lack of weaving capacity. Do you think that is the issue? Because
Yes.
what
Lack of good weaving capacity. Good is the key word.
lack of
Good weaving capacity.
and the problem is lack of good weaving capacity, that becomes a problem.
Yeah.
And another thing you say that the issue is that it is fragmented.
Yeah.
So why I am jotting down?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So the issues become crystallized.
Absolutely.
So fragmented. Yeah?
Yeah.
And third thing you said was still it is multiplying.
Rapidly.
That still it is multiplying rapidly. It is multiplying rapidly. Multiplying.
The notes will be circulated to all of you. So
Yeah,
one of
that
us will
will be
make
good.
notes
No,
and I will
no.
mail it to us.
No, but this is good. We can go ahead.
So lack of good weaving. Why I am let us
Yeah,
crystallize.
sure, sure.
Lack of good weaving capacity.
Right.
It is it is fragmented,
Mhm.
and still it is multiplying rapidly.
Yeah.
So this is a contradiction.
Yeah, yes, absolutely.
So now, what shall we do, Manish bhai? Shall we take up the issue by issue? That you see, he has raised the issue. We go round the table. He says his solution, and then we go with the solution, so that we can come to the conclusion. Or how? How do you want to go?
I think let him say the probable solution.
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 And then
Yeah.
in the final
then,
round,
then we will for
But
discussion.
Mr. Kotak, I would like to say, if there is capacity available is there, what about the shortage of the skilled manpower?
Yeah, then we'll come for the discussion.
That will
But
come.
for let him give the.
We'll open the house
Now this is
for-
this,
for
first
discussion.
what Manish bhai said. First flag the issues. Then give the probable solutions, because you are in the industry.
Yeah.
So you know some solution. Probable solution, and then we add to the solution and come for a permanent. So it's this thing. So we will be a meaningful discussion. हाँ बोलिए probable solution क्या?
I'll just go a little ahead and this what I was adding अभी जो कहा था उसके बारे में और further add कर दूँ.
So you are now adding only issues.
Yeah, at this moment, I'll just run through the issues that then we can take. As he rightly said, again, it is a very isolated this thing. They are not really concerned कि आगे क्या हो रहा है, पीछे क्या हो रहा है, आगे क्या होने वाला है.
Fragmented में तो आ गया ना.
Apart from that, even in their industry chain, what he mentioned that in the chain, everyone is working in isolation. He is not really
Fragmented
concerned
and
how.
isolated. चलो.
Yeah, and it is further that insulation happens more because of the nature of working, not being really professional. As he mentioned, skilled labor. I would say basically we lack skilled owners. They themselves are not skilled.
Skilled owners
Yeah.
and laborers both.
Yeah. So naturally, when the owner is not skilled, there is very less chance of a skill development happening.
Shall we call it skilled owner or
Unprofessional.
or lack of knowledge? Lack of
owner without a vision.
हाँ.
owner without vision.
Without
विजन तो होगा साहब, विजन होगा तभी
Vision
लगाएगा.
क्या है?
टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं होगा उसको.
ट्रेनिंग नहीं है साहब.
अपनी इंडस्ट्री
Systems
में
की
क्या
ट्रेनिंग
हो
नहीं
रहा है
है.
कि lot of people are just going what they are hearing or
Herd
the
mentality.
stories,
Herd mentality.
herd mentality.
I just give you an example. Just day before yesterday, I had a client who came in
So
from a steel
unsophisticated
plant.
or
He came in from a steel plant. The steel is in a bad shape. He's shutting it down, and he came. And the reason for coming in, put up with the unit is, and it will be a typical 24 loom unit, which will make about 2 lakh meters I think at your standards it's absolutely this thing, but for him it's a viable unit. And the reason for putting in it कि वो 5-6 जने जिनके साथ उठते बैठते हैं सबने लूम डाली हुई है.
Herd mentality, that is.
That's it.
Yeah.
So owners uninitiated or what shall we call it?
Untrained. Let me put it this way.
Untrained, okay.
Untrained. Yeah.
Untrained.
Lack of training you can call it.
Yeah.
Untrained.
Untrained.
So what is the solution now?
Engaging with them. Engaging not
Engaging.
from the, engaging from
Who
an
should engage?
industry, a forum like this can engage. For example, you have a very good incubation laboratory, if you would like to call it, Ichalkaranji, which gels very well with all the cotton this thing also, and it is
So engage with them as Ichalkaranji does.
no. Ichalkaranji is a base where you have this fantastic mushrooming of weaving units.
Your unit is in Ichalkaranji.
No, I am
He's
a
a
consultant.
He's a
I have
consultant.
clients in
He's a
Ichalkaranji. I have clients in Ichalkaranji. Now my client, he is going to practically triple his capacity in the next 6 months, and there are whole lot of people like that over there.
So do you think that we must start with engaging people at Ichalkaranji?
Absolutely, because that's essentially a cotton weaving center, so it will synergize with your strengths or the strength we
Engaging
can
with weavers,
with weavers essentially.
weavers in
I
the
would
same
talk-
segments.
The segment is really that's why the advantage of Ichalkaranji, it's a very common segment, it's a very
Because
focused segment. You are into cotton, 40s to 60s count, everyone moving to airjet, shuttleless weaving, all the latest sizing machines. So from all that point of view, it's an ideal situation where you, if you want to contribute something and we can get across the mentality of them being fragmented, not talking to each other, not cooperating with each other, I think definitely it can.
Now, just a curiosity sake, is there any association of weavers in?
Absolutely there is. The association is only focused is कि मेरा pick rate इतना है, job rate as we call it. They will have a strike कि इससे कम हो गया तो we should go on a
So
strike
that
curtail
means
capacity.
कि though association is there,
Yeah.
the association except doing certain things does nothing.
The focus is not.
फैतमा के अंडर बैनर नहीं कर सकते काम में. फैतमा इज एसोसिएशन फॉर पावरलूम पीपल.
Basically क्या है कि I think the difference between this forum and from what I can just get is कि here we are looking to do something in spite of issues and looking to do something positive as a positive engagement. All other associations, formal associations, by the nature of their existence, get into different priorities, get into a different track mode. So if
So-
this has to be a slightly unconventional
So do you think
yeah.
that since association is with different priority and objective, observing or this forum going and meeting the association and calling people together will help?
It may.
Because that gives a base.
The methodology,
That gives a base to get people together at a point of time.
absolutely. See, we can't ignore the association, or we would not be advisable to bypass it.
No, no.
But yes, the modalities
What is
of
the name of
engaging.
the association?
Ichalkaranji, I would not know. They would have some power loom association or something.
So,
Would be.
In Bombay, there is an association called Federation of All India Textile Manufacturers Association, FAIT.
FAIT.
They represent powerloom people.
I know. But
ITMA.
FAITMA.
see, I think if at all we are going to go this path, the first agenda and the biggest hurdle for you is going to be explaining to those owners who fortunately, unfortunately belong now majority from one community, the Marwadi community, are somehow always linked to each other, are very pally with each other, but they don't absolutely trust each other.
As you said, isolation.
No, isolation apart from that, even within that community, so they're getting them just to work and cooperate with each other. I have benefited from that isolation in the sense that I would provide one solution to this gentleman. This fellow is having the same problem, but in front of him he will not admit, and he will engage me separately to provide the same solution to him. And I would tell them, because we had various
But
phases of-
personally it benefits, but industry it suffers.
Absolutely, that's what happens. So, getting that across, how you can break that barrier or bring that synergy to them, that would be the
So bring synergy. Your solution is engage with Ichal Karanji to start with.
Yeah.
Cotton weaving
The benefits of them cooperating.
and have a synergy, create a synergy with them
Association, basically.
by association. And now Junjunwala Sahib suggested that there is already an association called FIGHTMA. So would it pay to also, as we get contact with that association, would it pay also to get in touch with FIGHTMA?
I would not see any harm, but whether it would give any results,
But
I am my own doubt.
And my point is, FATMA is an association which is representing powerloom people. I know them. I am a member of that association. I am in the managing committee also. If you collaborate with them, they will channelize. They will bring at least 50 members, 60 members.
So-
then we can collaborate with them. Because FATMA में कुछ काम ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. लेकिन अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए अपन हाईलाइट करेंगे, कुछ फॉर्म बनाएंगे तो आते हैं लोग. FATMA में ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं, मैंने देखा. वहाँ पे कि छोटे लोग हैं ना, क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है. सब चीज़ आते हैं, मतलब जो वहाँ आकर के नॉलेज शेयरिंग जो करना होगा अपन कर सकते हैं.
See the
Tariq. Mr. Tariq is also one of the.
We also have a
See,
representation.
रमेश पोद्दार जी इसके चेयरमैन हैं. काफी लोग हैं उसमें इन्वॉल्व.
see the purpose is
They were Tarapur chapter also.
They are basically more in the processing side.
See,
more.
what happens is any
Fight
formal
night for
association
processing.
takes place.
No.
More of processing.
Giving. They are
see the
mainly for giving people.
I feel Junjunwala's सब's point is very important. देखिए चंदन साहब बात ये है कि we are with an objective to address the issue and do something positive. अभी something positive as Jigna said, something positive में if we tell them that this will benefit you, everybody is interested for their self-interest. Why they act as isolation? Because they're segmented in isolation because they feel that their best interest lies in their self-interest and self-preservation. So they preserve themselves. So that by preserving themselves, they don't allow to each other the access. But if we are able to do, as very rightly said, if we get in touch with the association, our messages go out. Because otherwise, our positivity will not travel. It will not travel.
See, as I said, Junjunwala ji and you of course have much faster experience in Maharashtra.
And you, the association there also, we can start with Ichal Karanji, but we take FIGHTMA people also to Ichal Karanji.
That's not
So we tell that चलो अपना टेक्सटाइल को मजबूत करने के लिए कुछ करें. So weaving is a point with which you say that it's a very important area, and let me add to my friends and of course Textile Commissioner since last year has called at least 8 to 10, 7 to 8 meetings.
Agree.
That the weakest sector in India are two. One is weaving and second is the process. Against China, of course China has advantage of size, this, that, but India has advantage of varieties, this, that and so on. But these two sectors are weak and weaving is very weak. So last year साहब ऐसा हुआ कि 8 to 10 meetings they called all the bankers कि भाई how to finance the weavers because weavers can't expand and unless we are able to replace the old ones and in order to replace the old ones they said there is a difficulty because we have to import, we don't manufacture it. So a lot of debate, at least 10 meetings which I have attended on the weaving, this was passed. So ultimately, then Anil ji was the textile commissioner. The Anil Joshi told me, call somebody from Kotak. I said, why? Okay, I want to discuss with them. I want them. So I called the managing director and all that. He said, how can you finance them? What about the leasing? Leasing as a proposition. Now leasing as a proposition is a good thing, and just for information of everyone, original when spinning industry expanded, at that time leasing was very much in vogue, and outright and center leasing was given, and the spinning sprouted. And then the TUF and with this leasing, but now with the difficulty in leasing was, in spinning there was something that they could not get. In weaving, then the banks asked, then the other banks were also called, not only my bank. The other banks, they said,